All right, we're going to begin by cutting out our things. We're going to talk about classifying triangles. So what you're going to do is on this edge, you're going to cut almost to the end, not all the way through, and then turn and cut up. So we're leaving those edges. And then what you're going to do on each one of these, cut the flap. Okay, now on each of these flaps, you're going to also cut. Okay, when we glue down, we're only gluing our titles. So on the back, we're only gluing on the very edge. And then the middle where it says by angles, and the top where it says by sides. So we're leaving those clear. So when we glue it down, I can still lift up all of my pieces. Okay. So when I talk about classifying an angle by sides, I have an equilateral triangle. So equilateral is all sides and all angles are congruent. We represent this with a triangle. And since my sides are all the same, we do these little tick marks, one on each. So angles are the same, we do the same kind of arcs on each. So that's equilateral, all sides equal. Isosceles has two sides and two angles. Are congruent. So these kinds of triangles look like this. Since my two sides are congruent, I put the same number of tick marks. Since my bottom was different, I'm going to do a different number of tick marks. My equal angles are the ones that are at the very bottom. And then my different angle, I'm going to put two arc marks, is in between the two congruent sides. Okay. And then the last one, scalene. This has no sides, no angles. Are congruent. So this could be one that looks like this. But this side is different than that side, which is different than this side. In the same way, all of my angles are different. So you get different markings. So those are the three by sides. Now I look at if I wanted to go by angles. So my first kind is an acute triangle. In an acute triangle, all angles are acute. Something like this, where each of these angles is less than 90 degrees. Then I have an obtuse triangle. This is where only one angle is obtuse. So this could look like this. This angle here is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. And then my third kind is a right triangle, where one angle is right. We denote that by the square. So this angle is equal to 90 degrees. So each triangle that we do can have two classifications. It can be by sides or by angles.